Grouse guys, Sky Pilot here. Got the E511S E-Trine. I'm going to see how this thing goes above the ocean. I'm hoping it's going to go well. I've got a feeling it will. GPS tech and 1080p camera. Let's get it up in the sky. Thanks for joining in. Fingers crossed. Okay, she's up in the sky. Let's get some speed settings going here. 2, we'll set on 3, a little bit aggressive just because there's a tiny bit of wind there, but as you can see guys, it's holding it real steady. Excellent. Okay. See you later. Put that camera down. Of course, don't forget to hit the record button. The video there on the right hand side goes yellow. You got yourself a countdown timer. What have got here? 88%. 14 satellites. Okay, let's get some altitude on us. We know we can go up to 80 meters with this, and we know we can go as far as 200 meters with this. Well, it's scooting along quite nicely at the moment, so I'm just trying to find a bit of shade here so that I can see what I'm recording a bit better. Okay, so as you know guys, you can adjust the camera with this one, so I'll just tilt the camera up so that we're not looking down so much. Okay, let's get up in the sky. Enjoy the music. We're about, as you can see, 195 meters away, so 58 meters in height. So let's just take it up to our allowed 80 meters, and we'll just do a bit of a circle around, see what's going on. It'll start beeping shortly, so we won't go quite to 80. And it's beeping at 78, so let's just drop it down a bit to get rid of that beeping. Okay, so it's happy again. We're 195 distance, so I'll just go forward and show you guys what I was talking about. We'll get to 200 meters and she's going to start beeping. 205, there we go. 25 meters away, so that's our distance, so which is pretty cool for this little drone. You can just see it up there in the sky over there. Let's do a bit of a circle around here to see where we are. Pretty good video quality from this drone too guys. I'm pretty impressed with it. 1080p camera, nice looking coastline. There's a big ocean out there. I don't really want to go out there, no. Okay. Let's bring him down. and let's come back to home. I'm still sitting on 14 satellites. It's pretty handy. Again guys, beginner, intermediate type drone, this thing is a ripper. I highly recommend it. I've got a few more videos of this drone, so check out the link on top right of your screen and have a look at those videos, plus a few others there as well. And if you feel like dropping me a comment or something, absolutely. I don't think we'll go down too much more than that. Said I have got it on number 3, so it is a little bit aggressive with the speed, which is why it's flickering around a fair bit like that. Okay, let's zoom through an ocean pass. Out we go. I'm going to head out to the sea. Bye bye E-Chine. Please don't go back home to China. It's a long way from Australia. And I think we'll stop there. Thank you. Yes, I know we're 200 meters out, we sure are. Battery, we're still looking at 53%. And as I've done from my previous test, we all know this battery lasts for around 15-16 minutes, no problems. And the beauty with this is, when it starts to go flat, she returns home. So that's really cool. So it takes reasonably decent shots. I'll take a photograph of that there, just so I'll stick the photograph on the screen there so you guys can see what the photo quality is like. Oh, let's bring it back around here. Oh, okay, a little bit of lag there. We are a long way from home. Let's get the coastline in there with a bit of ocean. Looking good. Okay, snap goes photograph. Let's take a couple of pics there. And let's just flick it over to here. And there's another photograph. I like to take a couple of photos of one point just in case something goes wrong. And there's another photograph there. Oh, where have you gone? Okay. And there's another photo. Looking good. Most enjoyable. Excellent. Okay, where are we facing here? Let's bring it back home. Which way are we going? Oops, okay, that way, 41%. Looks like home's somewhere over there, so okay, let's hit it. There it is. I actually lost it for a minute there. Good to see it. Okay. Let's have a look over those cliffs, shall we? Oh, welcome back, E-Chine. Oh, I think I just flicked the camera taking button as well. Alright, hello. Alrighty-o, okay. And here we are. Alright. Make sure everything's looking hunky-dory again. Let's just bring her down. Pretty impressed. Look how steady it is, guys, with our GPS tech. She's a steady little fly, this thing. Again, looks much like a lot like a DJI Mavic Air. Absolute crack. Okay, let's head up over that hill. Before we run too low on power. And up and over we go. Okay, we're on 23%, so all of my party. As we all know what happens once the beeper goes off. It stops doing what you want it to do. It stops doing what you want, and yeah, it basically just sits still and begins to return to home when it gets below 15%. So I'll have to put another battery and get over that mountain. Right, let's land this bird. Touchdown. Awesome. Well, there you have it, guys. Quick flight down the beach. I call that a success. Not a drop of moisture on a Echine E511S. We'll go and change the battery and put her over that cliff there and see how it goes when we're out of line of sight. Next video. Stay tuned. Thumbs up, hit that like button, and smash that bell for more fun. And smash that bell for more videos. Like always, great to see you guys. See you inside. Bye.